Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Cadillac ATS with a dead key fob. First, you'll need to access your vehicle. Look for a small button on your key fob, usually near the keyring, and press it to release the hidden emergency key. Next, use this physical key to gently pry off the small cap covering the keyhole on your driver's side door handle. Once the keyhole is exposed, insert the emergency key and turn it to unlock the door and gain entry. Now that you're inside, it's time to start your Cadillac ATS. Locate the special transmitter pocket, which is typically found within the center console storage area. Place your key fob, even with its dead battery, directly into this pocket. With the fob securely in place, firmly press down on the brake pedal. Then, simply press the engine start-stop button as you normally would, and your vehicle should start right up. You might be wondering how this works without a working battery. The secret lies in the transmitter pocket itself. This pocket contains a special coil that can read the embedded chip inside your key fob, even when its internal battery is completely dead. This allows your Cadillac ATS to recognize the key as valid and authorize the engine to start. If you see a no key detected message, this emergency method is your solution. To prevent future dead key fob situations, it's a good idea to replace the battery. Your Cadillac ATS key fob usually requires a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. To replace it, carefully use a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the key fob casing. Remove the old battery, then insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces down. Finally, snap the two halves of the key fob back together until it's secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.